In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept an invitation and set up your account to access a shared workspace or project. If your team or organization has invited you to collaborate, the setup process is usually quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly what to do so you can get started without confusion. First, open the invitation email that was sent to you by your team or organization. Make sure you're opening the most recent invitation message, especially if you've been sent more than one. Inside the email, you should see a clear option to continue the setup process. If you don't see the message right away, it may have landed in a promotions, updates, or spam folder, so it's a good idea to check there as well. Once you've opened the email, click the Accept Invitation button in the body of the message. This will take you to the account setup page connected to the shared workspace or project. If the button doesn't respond immediately, give it a moment, or try opening it in a different browser. It's also helpful to make sure you're using a stable internet connection before moving forward. On the setup page, create your password and fill out your profile details. When choosing a password, use something secure that you can remember easily. A strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, complete any profile fields requested on the page. This might include basic account information that helps other members of the workspace recognize you and collaborate with you more easily. Take a moment to review everything before continuing, since accurate profile details can make communication smoother later on. After your password is set and your profile information is complete, click Complete Setup. This final step confirms your account and gives you access to the shared workspace or project you were invited to join. Once that's done, you should be taken directly into the platform, where you can begin exploring the workspace, reviewing project materials, or collaborating with your team. If you run into any issues during setup, such as an expired invitation or a page that won't load, the best next step is to contact the person or team that sent the invitation and ask them to resend it. That's it. Once you complete these steps, your account will be ready and you'll be able to access the shared workspace or project successfully.